Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am testing Butt Naked. It's a fragrance oil and I've never been able to understand the name. I just don't get why it's called what it's called. The official fragrance description is Granny Smith apples, honeydew melons, strawberries, pears, a little bit of spice. So top notes of strawberry, coconut, and cherry, middle notes of banana, melon, peach, apple, pear, and then base notes of French vanilla, mint, and clove. I just don't get why it's called Butt Naked, and so I'm struggling with this one. But anyway, it smells really, really good. So it's definitely very fruity, smells really good. It behaves very nicely. It almost behaves too nicely. I did not stick blend nearly enough, and it was very, very fluid when I went to pour it. So it's good. It doesn't race, it doesn't accelerate, it doesn't do anything bad. And I am using the Groovy Green color from BeScented. No rhyme or reason for it other than it's just one of my favorite colors, and I like how the green pops against like a white base. And it's pretty much a neon green. What I like about it is if you add a little bit of TD to it, you can really tone it down and it's a little bit more subtle and more pastel-y, so it's very versatile. You can either have like bright green in your face or you can have it a little bit more toned down. Excuse me. But regardless, it's a nice color to work with, and you can see this fragrance. I've added some TD and it's just super, super fluid, and this is even at a 2-to-1 water discount, so gives you plenty of time to work with. I probably could have walked away for 10 minutes, come back, and still had plenty of time. All right, and as you can see, the batter is just still super, super fluid, even after stick blending, after letting it sit for a minute, just very, very fluid. So it's good. It's a great fragrance. I just know next time when I make a bigger batch, just stick blend the heck out of it. So that, and also with these 2-pound molds, there's not a lot of like forgiveness. With the molds, I normally use the wooden molds and then the diamond molds, the silicone diamond molds from BeScented. There's more at the top, so it's okay. I'm just trying to struggle to keep enough of the batter in the actual mold. So had I used a different mold, I wouldn't have cared. But this just kind of trying to struggle to keep it all in there. But again, behaves great. It smells really good. And it does not discolor, so that was very nice as well. All right, and we are back for the cut. I was happy with how the swirls came out. You can see no discoloration. And I just really like how the green pops against the white. All right, well, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I will see you on the next video.